String trimmer is a key tool used nearly every day in most properties that you maintain. So I'm very excited to announce Milwaukee's M18 FUEL 17-inch dual battery string trimmer. It will exceed the power and durability and meet the ergonomic requirements of your landscape maintenance business. This is hands down the most powerful string trimmer on the market. It has the highest constant power. It achieves higher peak torque than leading gas and battery powered professional string trimmers. It has fastest clearing. It holds the highest line speed in the most difficult applications. That increases your throughput as you're able to complete jobs faster. It reaches full throttle in less than 1 second and has a run time to complete 1/3 to 1/2 of your day's work in a single charge. There's a handle mounted fuel gauge to better manage your workflow, and it's equipped with our 2nd generation easy load trimmer head. This allows you to reload your trimmer head in less than 30 seconds. It has half the vibration and nearly double the wear resistance of the prior head. So I'm going to demonstrate the power of this string trimmer by cutting through 2 plies of corrugated cardboard. And we're going to go head to head against one of the leading gas-powered professional string trimmers. Three, 2, 1, go. Our new M18 FUEL 17-inch dual battery string trimmer is the clear choice for your maintenance operation. It has the power and durability to last many seasons of work with your crews.